Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be working with a shampoo and conditioner for your beard and the mustache. Stay tuned for more tips. The Nishman beard and mustache shampoo, it is made with special ingredients like panthenol and natural oil such as argan, jojoba, sweet almond, sunflower and olive oil, which moisturizes, softens and prevents dandruff on your beard and mustache. Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.